How's it going, everyone? I know DJT is a stock that a lot of people watch. It's got pretty good volume, so it's on my radar. So DJT, here is the daily candle chart. If you guys don't know, every candlestick you see is a daily, is what happened in the day. So we are down 7% for the day, which kind of makes sense. The market was pretty bad today. Here's what I'm seeing though. There is a lot of massive potential to the EMA 20. As you can see right here, this blue band has not been touched, which is very good for me in my strategy. So we know that that is an area to target. We did touch the EMA 10, which is right here. We have to. The algos will, no matter how trashy the company is. And as you can see, we haven't touched it from 722 was our last touch of this yellow band, and we go all the way to 821. How convenient. It's about a 1 month time distance. Anything that don't touch in 1 month is long. And so look at this big massive 13% candle. Everyone gets hyped, and then it just goes down again. That's what you call the dead cat bounce, reversion of the mean type of trade. So we are getting close to this ATR4, which is my big buy signal. I love to take trades there. If you look at the trend channel here, look what's happening, guys. So on the trend channel, this is the one thing that you can use that is respected and all that. So what we're seeing is we see clear resistance up in here, clear support here. You know, just it doesn't have to be a big move, but we just know if it hits this, you get that short-term rejection, and then it can go back down as this channel keeps going down. So what if you were going to take an entry? I personally would like to wait till this lower trend channel is hit or get as close as possible to this ATR4. I think DJT is looking rather decent in my opinion. So if we look at the time distance here of the last time we touched the EMA 20 was way back in 722. Current date is 9/3, so 8/22. It's not at that 2 month extreme, so it's not really like an AAA plus setup. It doesn't have like 2 months extreme, but no doubt, if DJT did hit this lower band, I would look to get into it. Look at the last time it did it, guys. Look at this to a T here. We had a little bit of time distance. This would have been an EMA 10 and 5 target. But as you can see, just for those little targets here, you can see from the lows here, you would have made a 27% to the EMA 5 and a 40% to the 10. And then if you hit the 20, it's a 55%. So the risk versus reward is there. I would have sold at the EMA 5 and 10 for sure. Would not expect the 20. But yeah, DJT, I definitely think this thing is going to rally up. Fundamentals, they suck. I'll be honest. I'm not doing this fundamental trade. I am doing this for a technical trade. And with the elections coming up, this could, who knows when this thing will bounce like really heavy, like something like this right in here. I think that, look at these big candles here. Yes, you can get that where it hits this ATR4, it goes really above it, but you got to remember, I shorted up in here. I bought put because it can't not sustain that. Why did I know that? It's because when price gets above the ATR4, we have time distance of not hitting this EMA 5. Where does price go back to? The EMA 5. That is your short-term reversion mean. Can it go back up? Absolutely. Or can it go down? Absolutely. The EMA 10 is get hits, and then over time, we slowly hit the 20. EMA 5 and 10, I love to target as those are your short-term reversions to the mean that happen fast. DJT is, I'm kind of liking it. I think, if it touches this area around this bottom trend, which is getting very close, I think you can make a very nice gain here. And if you look at from the low trend to the high trend, let's just say we go back up to, that's an 18% gain. We go to the middle trend, that's about a 10%. So just to analyze your risk versus reward. All right, that's my DJT analysis. I freaking will alert it in my Discord when I like it. I'm keeping it on watch, making a video on it so I can remember this one. Join the premium Discord if you guys want to see my stuff. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you guys want to join, please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. Read the testimonies. If you're like, man, I'm a little sketchy about this stuff, I promise you guys will make money if you follow my system to a T. And hit the server shop in the top left to see what I offer. You're gonna want to try the Day and Swing Trading Plus. I promise you, you can make lots of money. And it's not just, there and that. I have the results to prove it. You can go to my RTK journal. You can see literally on a 10 to 15 win streak right now. And I have a clear stop loss of 20%, but I'm making 10 to 20% consistent returns on every trade. We did about 15 of those I will show you that in a minute, but Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you access to all my channels, education, future education, past education. You get entries and exits straight to your phone of what I like that obeys the system. I like swing trading, but day trading is my bread and butter right now. It's making me the most returns, even if when a market is literally red like today. I'm still making massive money. And that's what you want to do. Swing trading's nice, but you want to make sure you have your bread and butter where you can make money every day so you can be a full-time trader. I've been doing this for over 6 years, and it's one of the best strategies of reversion to the mean using these indicators on how you can get those massive moves. So yeah, if you guys want to look at my RTK journal, you can click right in here. And this will show you guys my spreadsheet for my swing trading that I've been doing, my day trades. As you can see, we have lots of wins right in a row, making massive money. And I updated it a little more to make it even more bulletproof of an over 95% win ratio doing these day trades. I think you guys are going to like it. So yeah, all these channels will be unlocked, 12 bucks a month. I promise you guys will like it. If you do subscribe, try to subscribe on computer. If you do it on your phone, it'll charge an iOS fee, so trying to save you guys some money. This is DJT analysis, guys. Let's get this pump going. I think it's due. The EMA 20 could be hit at any moment. I would love to see an ATR4 down in here, just like it hit it right in here. This will be a solid buy area. So I'm definitely watching this one, guys. All right, guys, stay blessed, stay happy. I hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you guys want to, let's make some massive money together. And if you guys liked this video, give it a like, and I appreciate it. Peace out.